Alrighty, you ready for today?
Yes sir, ready for the long haul.
Here's our access. We just replaced one blower motor here. We've got two 13-year-old Train day and night something units. Both of them had the same failure in the same week. And so we were only able to get one blower wheel. We needed both of them. So we are back now. Got the second blower wheel. I'm just gonna swap out this motor and blower wheel.
Feeling me struggling right now?
I'm filming something. Oh. I've got an easier option here for you.
Do you now? Oh, so you did bring that?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so nice.
This is amateur hour, dude. Come on. You want to lift those wires over the motor.
Yeah, I think it's fucking in there, dude. Yeah, I didn't think I was doing this right.
You are doing it right.
Oh, I am?
You probably just have to like shimmy it or something. You're trying to move the whole unit right now.
This thing's fucking in there, man. Good lord.
Here you go. You didn't even get this past here. That's what you were caught on. We are now caught on this right here. There we go. There we go. Maybe? I thought I... Oh, this one too. What a shit design.
There we go.
Good thing I'm here. I was going to send you two to do this by yourself.
Oh, God.
Alright. And the whole bracket comes off. Hopefully. If we can get it up more, then we can loosen it easier, obviously.
Oh, I see ya. This is fun to watch, Red. Is it fun for the viewers at home, too?
Maybe. They're like, no, this is fucking torture.
Like, what's the opposite?
Probably use your hand now.
Yeah, there we go. What's the opposite of ASMR?
Alright, wait. Now let's just fucking... What's the opposite of ASMR? Do like close-up ASMR.
You sure this is ASMR? Hear me start cussing to myself. Oh, baby. Oh, the other ones went in so much easier. don't look at me. That's what we call at home.
At home?
A pain in the ass.
You're gonna be even more mad when I tell you you're gonna have to do it twice.
What am I doing wrong?
Yeah, just take it off.
Oh, God. Take a look. Let's try to see here. It's the right direction. Does it have to do with... Obviously, just show up at the post. Oh, lovely. I wouldn't want to put it on here and do it, right? No.
Take that blower wheel. Lay it down.
Lay it down.
Like that. There you go.
There we go. And then we do that.
Yep. Except that's sitting the wrong direction.
You mean
I think. Oh, no, was it?
Cause I was thinking you gotta.
Looks like we were given the wrong one, guys, according to the supplier. These fins go that way. These fins go that way. This one spins this way. This one spins this way. Spin opposite directions. Bummer. It's like a 25-minute drive back to our supply house, and then we gotta get the new blower wheel and drive back over there, so fun stuff. Back at it, got the right blower wheel. The one that they gave me was one number off on the model. They had one that was a 1-1 and one that was a 0-1, and that indicates which side of the blower wheel the set screw is on. So now we've got the correct wheel. Should be the exact same as this other one. Yep. There we go. Easy.
Properly done.
So we are now about I mean, that took us over an hour to do, and we're now about an hour and a half behind on our day from where we were expecting to be. So yeah, unfortunate is what it is. I'm gonna center the blower wheel.
Oh yes, you're absolutely right. Good thinking, Red. Alright. So for the wheel, should I flip that?
Okay, no. Just like that.
Okay.
Center it.
Center it.
Yo, what are you centering?
The blower wheel.
On what?
I'd assume it'd be on this aspect.
Yeah. So why aren't you looking in there to do it? There you go. That seems pretty centered to me.
Wonderful. And then I gotta get this going, right?
Yeah, then you line that up with the flat side. And
Yeah,
and tighten it on there. You want that thing to be super fucking tight.
super fucking tight. Yes, sir.
Just straight in, just like it is right now.
Oh shit, my pants are caught. There it is. It's that HVAC strength you got.
It's nothing to do with strength.
Oh. I was hoping to get a little more screen time. Where's the snake at? Never mind, I don't want the screen time. Up to me.
That it?
There it is.
Yes. I'm turning it on. Yeah, I don't know if the thermostat's on. Bummer.
No. Talk to me.
Alright, hold on a second.
There we go.
Fans running.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. And it seems to be doing normal right exterior right now.
Yep.
Perfect. Sweet. Well, come on, jump it.
Wonderful.
It just turned off, right?
Yeah, it did just turn off.
Okay, sweet. Later.
There it is. New blower.